Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and today we have the launch edition of a new box. The name is Get Surprised box. They have 4 editions and all the details will be discussed later in the video. So this was how the box reached me. Shipping was through DTDC, and once I opened, I have the packaging and it says Get Surprised. So the packaging is pretty good. Let's open up and see what we have, and let's see if we really are gonna get surprised with this. So this is how Get Surprised box looked like, and yeah, I was surprised when I got it in my mail because I was not expecting it today. So at the back side it says this box is made from recyclable material, reuse it. I really like the packaging. This is first timers, but the packaging is pretty good and the box design is also cool. So I have removed the outer packaging, I mean the outer wrapping and all, and once I open it, this is how it is. So the box that we have here is the 850 box. Enjoy all the products. There is a gift for box, also a pre-order gift. All right, that's pretty good. They have 4 editions, 300, 550, 850 and 1100, and shipping is extra. This is the 850 box. So they have written everything pretty nicely, pretty straightforward. And there is also some word: success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you're doing, you will be successful. I very much agree to that. After starting career as a YouTuber, I can feel that. Get surprised. So that was pretty good. So inside that we have all the products, and its packaging is a little different from the typical boxes. That is what I would say. So anyway, let's open up and start one by one. First of all, I have to say that the box smells so good and I have been sniffing the products. So the first product that I got is a full-sized clothing item. It is a kurti customized as per my size requirement. Design is random, but they asked for my size, and this is as per my size. And the good thing is that the material is not so bad. It's like, I think it is cotton. Very good material, and I really like the look of this. It gives that, what do you call it? In Malayalam, we call it bujji look. Basically, that's what you call intellectual look. So I really like the pattern, and also I like the design and the size customization. So let's wear and see how it looks like. The kurti is actually knee length, and I really like the material, and it's a blessing for the ongoing summers, if I would say, in Kerala. I really like this sleeve, as I was saying, the bujji look, and it's good. I just have to do maybe a little bit of alteration if I want to, but otherwise the fit is good, the material is good, and the kurti is a big thumbs up from my side. So I'm already impressed with the first product in the box. The second product came in this cloth bag, and I think this is again a clothing item. I think this is a tee. Yeah, I think so, because they said tee and kurti. Yeah, so this is a tee, and this is basically like a loungewear tee. Maybe you can even wear it outside, but for me this is something like a loungewear. And yeah, it's pretty cute. I really like what it's written on here, and again this is size customized, and so this is how the tee looks like. The material is also, it's also pretty good, and I'm happy that I got something that I can wear when I go out, and also something that I can wear at home and maybe outside as well. So this is the second product in the box, and this is how the crop top tee looks like. It's not necessarily crop top. When I wore it, was pretty okay. So it's not very transparent, and I think it's cute. And this is first of its kind. I can definitely wear it at home. Forgot to show this earlier. They have a written letter also. Thank you for being part of the subscription box. Hope you like our box and be part in future also. Give your reviews. If any changes has to be done, it's perfect. I really like that page. And wow, these many products are inside, and we have just covered 2 products. All right. So let's get started. I think that's better. That's pretty good. So many products to go. Next we have is an eye makeup product, and I have here is an eyeliner from the brand Maiden. And it is a blue colored liner, and that's pretty cool. The packaging is also pretty nice. This is a new brand for me, and this is how the color is. I'm not sure if everybody will be receiving the same blue or different color. So it's a liquid liner, and it has a, right now I feel it is a glossy finish. So individual pricing information is not given, only the products are mentioned, and that is the trend nowadays in subscription boxes also. So the packaging is pretty good for this liner, even though I've not heard about this before. It's a very sturdy packaging, and also it looks good. So this is the first makeup product. Second makeup product. The second makeup product is a mascara, and I'm not sure about the brand. I've not seen it before, but they say it's a long-lasting waterproof mascara. The packaging is pretty cute, and it is okay. It is from the brand Kiss Beauty, and so this is how the mascara looks like, and this is how the wand looks like, and it's kind of jet black, and it's like a normal mascara. I have to test it and see if the claims are true. So it's a new brand, and also it's a full size. Okay, I did spread it a little bit here, but that's okay. A new brand, and also waterproof mascara, something that everybody will use. Makeup products for eye and lips, like everybody will use it. So this is the second makeup product. Next product that goes well in tune with the makeup products is, it's a small mirror, and this is how the mirror looks like. It looks a bit dusty. So anyway, the design is pretty nice, and it has a golden design, and quality right now seems to be okay. So yeah, this is how it's a bit dusty. That's it. That's what I feel. Anyway, it's a cute one. It's very sleek, and you can easily put it in your bag, and it looks nice. It will look good as a photo prop as well. So this is again, it's a good choice. Like it is good to go with the makeup products. And so this is the next product in the box. We have a jewelry piece. It is a simple stud. It is a white stone, and this is how the rear side looks like. It is actually a bit heavy, not very lightweight, and typical golden and white stones. And it, yeah, in a way it goes with the outfit, and like if I'm pairing it with golden jewelry, then yeah, I can wear it with my kurti as well. So this is the next product. And then there are two headbands. I wouldn't really call them products, but for me they're good because I always tie my hair with bands, and these are pretty elastic, also like stretchable, and they're good. So I have use with these products. I always prefer black ones, so I am happy with receiving this. I wouldn't call it exactly like a unique product or anything, but I'm happy in receiving this. And then I have a pre-booking gift here. It's a pre-order gift here, and this is a perfume. I think it's a roll-on. Yeah, it's a roll-on. The fragrance is a bit fruity, so this is how it is. And it's a fruity fragrance, and yeah, sort of unisex. I would say it smells like I don't know, dry fruits or something, very similar to that. So a little different fragrance. And gold sandal. Yeah, there is a bit of sandal touch also. Yeah, sandal touch is also there. So aromas perfume, and it's a roll-on. Quantity I'm not sure. I think it's at least 10 ml or something. So the fragrance is good. If you like sandal fragrances, it's a good fragrance to go for. And also it's a roll-on fragrance, so you can easily put it in your purse or something. And then I have one more gift here, and it's very nicely packed. I really like the packaging. So this is how, I don't want to open it up because I already got the gift outside. And the gift that I got is a ring, and this is how the ring looks like. Let's wear it. So this is how the ring is. A very simple ring. It has golden stars in it, and it's basically a silver design. Again, it's like a unisex design also. It's pretty huge, so good for me because it will fit in my fingers, and it is kind of my kind of rings which I wear on a daily wear basis. So this is how the ring looks like. It is like a gift. And then I have something more here. I was thinking it was some drink or something, but these are wet tissues, and this is how you take it out. It's pretty cute, and it's a Chinese product, and everything is written in Chinese. A couple of things are written in English as well. It has a 2-year expiry. I am not sure about the manufacturing date. It should be here somewhere since expiry is mentioned. So it's pretty cute, and you can also use it as maybe a bit of heavy keychain. And here you have through this space you can pull out the tissues. So it's pretty good. I mean, it's cute. I don't have anything of this sort, and I was really hoping that it was something to drink, because I've been wanting to drink something. This is a very thirsty afternoon today is. So this is how the wet tissue looks like. It's pretty heavy also, so I guess the quantity is also good. And then finally we have something to eat as well. These are Britannia pineapple plunge cake. Okay, Britannia, it takes me back to memory lane. I used to buy this so much when I was in school. I used to see the ad and all in TV. So this is something to eat, sweet treat. This is not counted as a product per se, but yeah, this is the last product in the box. And my Get Surprised box is empty right now. So this is everything that we got. I think the list is complete. So for 850, I think I got a good set of products. I really like the two clothing items, an ethnic and a modern, one jewelry piece, a hairband, a fragrance, a wet tissue, a surprise gift, 2 makeup products. If I look at it, I really like it. But I have a suggestion, that is include at least one branded product as makeup or skincare in your boxes from next time onwards. As they were saying, they're open to suggestions. So this is my suggestion to Get Surprised team. Something branded in makeup. Or as I've not included skincare, that's okay. But when it comes to makeup, please include something branded, because at $850, it would be nice to have something branded than a generic stuff. So this is my review. I believe that as first timers in the subscription box category, they've done a pretty good job covering all the aspects, like, face, skin, beauty and clothing and all that, and fitting it to this price point. But yeah, branded thing, that is what I feel. So let me know how you guys like it, and if you guys would agree to my views as well. So we'll meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.